Welcome everybody. So this is another update as to why the Corvette is not getting done, because I have to work on my wife's 2011 Ford Flex that decided to blow a turbo out. Do not buy an EcoBoost. Don't care what anyone says. Probably going to get a lot of hate for that. I don't care. They're pieces of junk. That being said, they are fun to play with. So anyways, the Ford, I was driving home the other day and turned the corner and there was a really loud whistle. And then there was no boost, no power. Pretty much turbo blew out. I'm 99% sure it's the rear bank. So we're going to take a test drive. Hopefully get that sound on camera just so that you guys know what the sound is. And then we'll be throwing it on the lift. Pull the downpipe off to diagnose the issue. But now LS blows up, just put a Honda in it. Well, this is a Coyote. Coyote is awesome. Small garage problems. But, you know, it's peeing condensation all over the floor from the air conditioning. Alright, let's figure out what's broken together. Besides it being a Ford. Oh. Man, it's pretty. Mad. Except for those bolts, which aren't gonna come off. I feel like there's cats missing from up here. Because that does not look like a stock weld job. I don't think they would do that either. I think this used to have catalytic converters, but it does not anymore. Don't think this is the bad one. She was loud, but she's still there and not all marred up. Oh, GoPro died. Imagine that. Oh yeah, She's got a little play in her. Oh yeah. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to spend the next few days replacing.